So welcome back. Let's solve this question. This is number 3. Let's solve this question. They said what is the locus of point that is equidistant from point P with the coordinates 1, 3 and point Q with the coordinates 3, 5. So whenever you see locus of a point that is equidistant from two points, just know that it is the perpendicular bisector of that line. So we have these points P and what? Q, right? So it is what? The perpendicular bisector. So we have our midpoint to be x, what? Y. So we find our midpoints. You know that midpoint formula now for this thing for x1 plus x2 all over 2, which will give us x1 is what? 1 plus x2 3 all over 2, which will give us 4 over 2, which will give us 2. Now for y1 plus y2 is equals to 3 plus 5 all over 2, which will give us 8 over 2, which is equals to 4. Since we have gotten this, we are now going to say that that midpoint for x is what? 2, 4. So we are going to find our slope. Slope is equals to what? Change in y all over change in x, right? Which is y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. Hope you can see it from there. Okay, let me move over to this side. So our y2 is what? What is our y2? y2 is 5. So we are going to have, that's m or gradient or slope, anyone is equals to y2 is 5 minus y1 is what? 3 all over x2 is 3. We are going to have 2 over 2, which is 1. So because we are talking about perpendicular bisector, perpendicular, so our m1 is equals to 1 minus 1 all over m2. Sorry, our m2 is equals to minus 1 all over m1. So this is our m1. So we are going to have m2 is what? Negative 1 all over 1, which is what? Negative 1. Now, we are going to use slope for 1 point form, you get, which is equals to y2 minus y1 is equals to m parenthesis x minus x1. Okay, y minus y1, sorry, like this. So we are going to have y minus, what is our y1? 4 is equals to m, which is negative 1. X minus x1 is what? 2. So we are going to have y minus 4 is equals to negative x plus 2. So y is equals to negative x plus 6. That's our answer. You can still use another formula and solve this thing. That formula we used before. This formula. X minus x1 squared plus y minus y1 squared. Then you use again x minus x2 squared plus y minus y2 squared. If you don't want to stress yourself on perpendicular and all these things, so you can still use it, you get your answer. Thank you for watching and may God bless you. Bye bye.